It's day one of the TTR 225 build. Picked up this bike for $100 off a kid who obviously didn't know what he was doing. You can tell it was ridden on the road. You got the nice flat, but nice good side nubs. I'm not sure what happened in this engine. So look at the head. We got the valves are like jammed open, and take a look at the sleeve. The light. The end of the sleeve is cracked, so I don't know if that happened in the engine or out of the engine. He was trying to hammer out the sleeve, but didn't heat it up. You got 3 big gouges in there, so I'm thinking this thing ran out of oil and was running very hot. Or maybe he just fucking poured sand in there, who knows? But, you know, all the wiring's shot, of course. But, I don't know, brakes are intact. Got okay front tire, probably gonna replace it anyway. My camera's kind of dying, so I can't really show you. But if you look all the way down to the bottom, there's metal fragments. So gonna have to split the case. The filter has chunks of metal in it, of course. Just gonna let it drain while I do all the bolts to hold it on. I'm gonna put it on the auxiliary workbench. Snapping out pretzels. So, got this thing out. Holy shit, is this thing shot. I don't know what's going on here. That's like someone puttied over it. This right half is kind of shot. There's another patch down here. I don't know if people are rock crawling with this thing, but I don't know. I broke out the old flywheel puller, but this being a Yamaha, it's a little different. There's no inside groove to like snatch onto, so I'm gonna have to hit the store tomorrow to see if I can get a puller. Or at least a nut that would fit in there. I don't know. I gotta do some goggling. See how we can get it out. But while I'm here, I'm gonna see if the shifter's shot too. I got a spare shifter laying around here somewhere. Alright, I was kind of worried I'd have to fucking run to Home Depot tomorrow and get a bolt that fits, but in my Harbor Freight large bearing separator kit, one of the large bolts in there actually fits the flywheel removal threads on the outside of this fucking case. So we're gonna give this a little bit of chugga-dugga, a dugga-chugga. And all these, oh fuck, god damn it. So all these little cylinders came out from inside of here. I don't know, here's a spring and one. Here it is. Yeah, there's a spring right there. I have no fucking clue what this is, so I don't know. I gotta really mess with it. So I'm looking at the diagram here. It looks like this has something to do with the starter clutch. This is supposed to move back and forth based on like if the fucking starter spinning or what or not. Ooh. Let me put that back in there. Like a vacuum seal to it. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this keyway out. Just continue disassembling. One step at a time, I guess. I've gotten to the point where I gotta break out some Ziploc bags and start labeling shit, because if I lose something, I'm absolutely gonna blow my brains out. Hopefully Tom's bitch ass doesn't back out of helping me.